Mike, I want you to report that girl to the police. She should be charged for attempted murder. Imagine what she did to you.
I think I understand how she feels. She acted out of frustration.
But she could have killed in the process. She could have killed you in the process.
But I thank God she didn't.
I mean, who did this? You can imagine what was her intent. What was her intent?
See that girl, she should hide her face in shame. After all, she brought all this upon herself. Was she not the one that cheated?
Peter, I think you should forgive her. Pardon her, she's really sorry.
Pardon? Pardon? I don't understand. What? Okay, because you're still alive. Why would you say that?
Well, if you ask me, I think you should just, bring her back.
Pardon? Mickey, who? Somebody who inflicted this kind of injury on you. You're talking about? Mickey, what is wrong? The police should pick her. She should go and talk to the police for doing this to you. What was her intent? No, what was the intent? You thought she wanted you alive?
This house is mine. And what I say stands.
This house is mine too. I contributed in building it. So whatever I say stands too.
You are stupid.
You are mad. Yes. Ibonyala.
Mua.
Yes. How can you do? Maja. Nonsense.
Now listen to me. I will not be alive to see you drag my daughter into a marriage she refused to.
Obarule sonso. Igabanu. You die now. Now.
Kuchalo, let me see.
Enough!
Enough
of all this banter. Mama, Papa,
Adam,
I've thought about all you said, and I am now ready to marry Chief Ibe.
No! Adam, Adana Mama. Hey, this is the best decision you have ever made. Kuchala. I will call him Jebe. I will call him now and tell him to come.
No, Mama, no, not yet. You see, my hair is looking unkept. I want to look beautiful, like I want to look sparkling. I want to make my hair, my nails. Yes, Mama.
Okay. Like how much do you need?
Say 15 to 20,000. Mama, the thing is, I don't want to look cheap before him.
I understand.
Yes, Mama.
In that case, let us make it 30,000.
Mama, 30,000?
Yes, no.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Oh, follow me, yeah? I've been hiding some money. Somewhere. I'll bring it and give you the quarter of Mama. I know I will get it back.
Okay, Mama.
Let us go. I will give you the money. Oh, we're going to say.
as your houseboy, you don't have respect anymore for me.
So we are different. Big trouble. Big trouble if I don't see my daughter. If you make well, you have to get out there.
Hey, you go look at NGC Kote.
Sonia, you mean you live in this place alone?
Yes.
This view is very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, let me touch my dress.
No.
You're looking fresh, oh.
Village girl.
Sonia, you've done really well for yourself.
Thank you.
My sister, village life is not easy, oh.
My dear, it is not easy anywhere.
You have to keep working, pushing, for you to make a difference.
Yes, so. But at least, it will be easier to get a job here in this city. I prefer here.
You think so?
I think so.
You see, when I newly came into this town, it wasn't easy for me. I was looking for a job like a mad woman. I kept on searching, dropping my CV from one place to the other. It wasn't easy for me, But eventually, I got a job. And after 3 months, I lost the job. And now I am self-employed.
Hey.
I'm managing a spa.
Hey!
Easy.
Sonia! Hey, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hi. You've done well for yourself.
Thank you. So let's go inside
My
now.
friend.
How is Mama now?
I like your house very well.
This village favor you. You're looking so beautiful. Though.
See who is talking. Can you see your house?
Hey.
Sitting here I come.
I see you.
And some chairs arrived.
Amara, how are you? Amara.
Mama.
Where is your friend? My daughter Isomchi.
Mama, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? She's your friend now. She visits you all the time.
Yes, but she didn't tell me anything. She didn't tell me she was coming to my house. I didn't see her. I've not even seen her since today.
Chineke, how can you tell me you have not seen her? When she stays in your house more than she even stays at home.
Mama,
don't lie to me, Mama.
I'm not lying to you, and I'm being honest to you. The day she went to her grandmother's place, was I not the one that told you?
You did.
There's no way I can lie to you. I swear I don't know her whereabouts. She didn't tell me anything. I
can give you money. Plenty money. Pico.
Mama, it's not all about giving me money. I don't know where she is. She didn't tell me anything. I have not seen her since. In fact, I'm even surprised that you're telling me this. Ezoku. Are
you sure?
Mama, I'm very sure. I can't lie to you. Oh, should we go and look for her? There's one girl she always goes to visit. I met her there last time.
I don't need any other of her friends, so.
This one, she just met her. It's down the road.
Take me
just
there.
Go there and check.
Pico.
Let's go.
Pico.
K4, KO. This man won't allow me to take my stuff. My daughter does not need you. Leave her alone.
Mazi, how are you doing? Please hold your greetings.
My daughter does not need you. Why are you still forcing yourself on her? No, why are you forcing yourself on her? Leave her alone.
Maazị Ekechi mere mma. That is why I'm ready. I don't give up on anything until I get it. This also explains why some people are poor. Because they try once and give up. But for me, I don't give up. I don't give up.
I've searched everywhere for her. I cannot find her. She's nowhere to be found.
What is the meaning of this?
I don't know.
You told me that she's ready for me. If you don't want me to marry your daughter, you tell me. Not playing with my mind as if I am an imbecile.
So, she told me that she was ready for you. I say something now. Eh? Oh, Nai bikono. Say something. Eh? Nai bikono. Hey. Don't let me miss all this is all. Moto kwam nankwa o ego. Hey! Let your peace lose you. Look at one of us. Chief.
That useless girl has been caught.
Really?
Just that she spent a large sum of money.
Wow. Well, at least you recovered something.
I fear girls these days. Honestly.
Well, for me, I don't fear nobody. After what has happened to me. You see, this life has taught me so many things. It has taught me to understand that decent dressing has nothing to do with decent attitude.
Yeah.
Some people might dress decently, but inside of them, they're modern beasts.
Exactly.
So the only thing on my mind is quit all this drama and all of that and settle down.
Yeah, bro.
Get the real one.
I pray that God will give us the right woman.
Of course, God will never forsake his son.
Yeah.
That reminds me, I've not been seeing your secretary for some time now.
I sacked her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why?
Just like that.
Hey, Peter. You don't have to be harsh on women. You don't have to chase away the few good people in your life all because of your past. That girl looks... she's hardworking. Why did you sack her?
What can I help for you, please?
Sonia, what's wrong? You're not sleeping. The guy I dated for almost 5 years left me. Just few weeks before our wedding. sorry. I'm truly sorry about that. You don't have to cry. Hey, please. What happened? What did you do to him? Why this sudden... What?
It was one bastard. That idiot met me with a guy. That person was my old friend. And he told my fiancé that he met me with a man. My fiancé couldn't take it and he called off the wedding. God will punish.
That's truly sad. That's truly sad and painful, and I'm so sorry. I'm truly sorry.
I feel so terrible.
Please don't cry, please.
God will punish him.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
I feel depressed.
Please,
Help me.
Don't be. I'm sorry.
Woman, for your information, I have told my kinsmen that you have finally succeeded in driving my daughter away from this house. They will be here tomorrow to ask about her.
Hey, Nai, why would you want the villagers to laugh at me? Why would you want to do that?
Hey, Ekechi, so you are calling me Nani with your mouth? I don't have issues with you. No problem at all. All I want you to do, go and get my daughter. Bring her back. Ogula.
Hey.
I am off.
Hey. Why is my own so different? Why? The other day, I told Chigozie that all his mates are millionaires. The next morning, he packed his things and ran away. Now this one, hey, now my daughter Kita, ordinary just get married. They said I'm unreasonable. And now, this, hey. Oh God. Hey.
Sonia, I'm ready to run along now.
Oh, really?
And I have a very good feeling about today. Yes, today is the day.
Of course, today's going to be a very good day for you. Anyways, you're looking good. Turn around. Esamchi, you have to believe in God. No matter the pressure, do not exchange sex for any job. Do you understand? Because it has a lot of disadvantages. You know how it is. You have to be very, very careful, please. You know I love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Love you. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Happy with you.
Thank you.
Okay, darling. Bye.
Bye.
To have a nice day.
You too.
Samchi.
SOG. SOG. SOG, wake up. Wake up, you have to go to the room. SOG. You're looking so tired. You're not supposed to sleep in here, madam. Hmm? I guess you had a very stressful day today. SOG. Wake up. Wake up now. Guess you had a very hectic day. Hmm?
Hi. Good morning. Looks like you're waiting for a taxi or something.
Yes, but I haven't gotten any yet.
Okay, fine then. Let me drop you off.
No, thank you, sir. No.
Why not? It's just a lift. Let me drop you off. I can take you to where you're going.
Thank you, sir.
Hello? Wow. She's so pretty. Looks like she's new in the estate. Wow. Nice.
Sonia, I'm here to say sorry for what I've done, what I've caused you. I'm really sorry. Please, just forgive me from your heart.
Do you think it is necessary?
Yeah, Sonia, we can work it out.
We can't work it out because everything has been disorganized.
Oh, don't say that, please.
That's not necessary. Everything has been disorganized.
Oh, Sonia.
So what are you doing here?
Please, I'm here to make amends.
You are here to make amends?
Yes.
Oh, really? Do you remember the last time you introduced me to your parents? Your parents looked into my eyes and told me their son can never ever get married to me. That I am from Abakaliki. That we are foolish and naive. And then what did you do? You discharged me like a piece of trash.
Oh, please, stop talking about the past. Let the past be bygone.
Why shouldn't I talk about the past? Why? Please. Tell me!
Please, let it go.
You see, I can't stop talking about the past because that is why we are where we are today. But my problem is my hunger for your prowess on bed could not let me forget about you. That is why I got myself into trouble.
I'm sorry. But we can make this thing work. Together we can make it work. Please. We can make it work.
Please. This cannot work between us.
Don't say that, please.
Yes, because I cannot get married to you. I can't get married to you. Why should I get married to a man that I wouldn't find peace being around him. Your parents wouldn't accept me. So please, I would appreciate it if you delete everything that has to do with me from your memory. Do you understand me?
Please don't say that.
Why shouldn't I say that?
Don't say that. We can make amends.
We can never make any
amends.
amends.
It work, baby. Please, I love you. Please.
Please.
We can make amends. I can make amends. Please.
Leave my house.
Wait, don't do this to me.
Leave my house now!
I love you, Sonia.
Get out of my house!
Sonia.
That's the door.
Sonia, I love you. Please.
I said leave my house. Get out.
Sonia.
Get out of my house. Leave! Leave my house now!
Sonia.
Leave!
Hey, Tracy. Hi, I'm sorry if I startled you.
You again? Are you stalking me?
Oh no, I'm just craving for a moment.
And that you already have. Have a nice day.
Oh, please. Can I at least talk to you? I've been pulled over here waiting for you. I must say today is a lucky day.
As you can see, it's morning. And you should know how important mornings are to every worker. Have a nice day. Sonia, I'm really tired of looking for a job.
Alright, this is not funny, but I have to laugh. Please, I'm sorry. You're tired already. Alright, you know, when I came into this town newly, I was so desperate. You know, I had a fire burning. I had so much confidence that I was going to get a job in less than 2 weeks. But as the days go by, I was open to another kind of reality. Look, sweetheart, please, you have to calm down. I will encourage you not to give up. But you need to have a plan B. Please, I know it's not easy.
Sonia, after my interview tomorrow, if I don't get the job, I will not submit my CV anywhere else.
Sweetheart, you will definitely get a job. Just believe.
I think so.
Of course you will.
I pray so.
Ah, you look so tired.
And I'm very famished.
Alright, let's go in the kitchen. Cook something really nice, delicious.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for all you do,
I
Sonia.
love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go get something to eat. Yeah. Oh. Thank you. Okay, freshen up.
No, seriously. I have finally seen the girl I want to marry. No joke.
Can't wait to see her. I can't wait. It's your fault. Can't wait to see her.
I swear.
Michael.
If you see this girl, you have never seen any girl as beautiful as this girl.
Michael, forget this thing. Don't be. It's not Michael.
I'm not joking, guy.
Okay, have you spoken to her?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, the girl is top notch. Height. Hey, okay, just wait till you see her. Let me not say much.
This one. My girl is talking about a girl like this. Obviously, we'll have to start preparing for the bang.
I know.
Yeah.
It's actually a good news.
Yeah.
That means she has to bring out the sincerity in you. That if she likes you.
Well, the truth is that I'm having a little problem, actually, because the girl haven't really, accepted me fully. I'm still like,
Persistence, that's all you need.
yeah.
Okay, push it. Push it. Or do you want us to teach you something?
You know what? I think I need to call her the very black. Things have to start to first.
You know?
Get what I mean?
Standing back.
Is that good?
When is it gonna be?
What's gonna be?
We're asking.
Open for you? Look at this, you got me up.
I'm having a spiritual one already.
You say you're one?
I'm having a spiritual one already.
Oh my God.
Oh God, what kind of ill luck is this today? Today of all days, all the taxis decided to disappear. I wish I could just see a taxi right now. Better yet, even trek. How would I trek to that place now? Hi. Oh, this guy. Hey God, I just wish he would stop and take me, please. God, please let him stop. 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 Oh my God, what kind of thing is this today now? He didn't even stop, eh? It's obvious all my village people are out for me today. What do I? He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yes, sir. Can you drop me off? I'm going for an interview, sir.
Oh, why not come in?
Thank you, sir.
Running late for work already?
No. Interview.
Oh, interview. What's your name?
Esomchi.
Esomchi. Esomchi. Oh, I'm following God. Lovely name. Michael.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
We're almost there.
So I'd like to stop at this junction.
Oh, this place, right?
Yes. Thank you very much, sir. Thank
You're welcome. Are you sure you're okay here? You don't want me to drive you?
No.
Okay. All right. Do you mind if I have your number or something?
Okay.
Oh, nice.
I'm type.
Okay. SMG.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
And you too. Bye.
Bye.
Good luck.
Sure. Thank you.
So how did your day go?
As usual.
Don't worry. It's not the end of the world. You just have to relax your mind and keep praying. Alright, go in and shower. When I come back, we'll discuss more about it. Alright, so
I forgot. There's this guy. He has actually been disturbing me, so I have to give him my digits. I don't know if it's too early to do that.
No. That's fine. It's not a bad idea that you give out your digits to a guy. You know, some of these guys can actually help you get a job. But you have to keep your boundaries while dealing with them. You have to be very, very careful because, you know, some of these guys can be very mischievous when they see a beautiful girl like you.
Thank you so much.
You're
welcome.
It's fine.
I can see you're going to the shop already.
Yes, I was going out.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself. Don't worry. When I come back, you will explain to me about what happened.
I will. And I'll prepare something for you this time.
Take your bath.
I will.
Feel relaxed.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
You didn't get the job.
No, sir, I did not. The man was asking for something beyond my CV.
It's come on here. I've been thinking, can you work as a secretary?
Yes, in as much as it pays a considerable amount, then I'm ready to work. Anything.
Okay then. I will talk to a friend and let you know whatever comes up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
It's okay, don't be worried. Some days are like that. A drink.
Thank you, sir.
You need to get her a job for me here.
Come on. Why not employ her in your company?
Oh no, I don't want her to work in my company. The thing is, I don't want her to see me as a boss. Can she work here, please? At least you can help me keep an eye on her.
Okay, that's only if she works as my secretary.
I don't have a problem with that. That's fine.
No problem.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's alright. You bring her, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Sonia! Oh my god! Sonia! I finally got the job! Are you serious? When did you get the job? Well, you're looking at the secretary of Firo International. Oh my god!
Is it Peter Okeke?
Yes, that's my boss's name. Do you know him?
Yes. That's my former fiance's friend.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
And congratulations! I'm happy. Congratulations. This calls for celebration.
Of course, and I'm going to prepare whatever you need.
Oh
like
my
God! Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yes, sir.
Is your boss around?
No. He went out. But as you can see, I'm about to leave also.
Oh, you're going?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So, in that case, I could drop you off. You don't mind.
Why not? If it won't be about that.
No, it's fine.
Thank
See
you, sir.
you very way. Fine.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, upstairs.
Sure, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for everything.
You're welcome.
But what's so special about me?
Your personality is everything.
Are you trying to flatter me?
No, I'm dead serious. You have quite an amazing personality.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think I'm
Not even a hug?
Thank you. Bye, sir. Sonia, how are you today?
I'm fine. How did you know that guy that dropped you out there?
Oh, did you see him? It's the same guy that got me the job. Listen, he's so nice.
That job? What? You had me right.
Well, what? But you know how long it took me to get the job. The working conditions are fair. The salary is also good. And
I said quit that job with immediate effect.
Sonia.
So this girl didn't come to work today. What is wrong with her? This is exactly the reason I sacked my former secretary. And she's repeating the same thing. She doesn't really know I don't mix business with pleasure. Even my mother cannot joke with my business. Okay. She will explain to me.
Sonia, please. I have nothing to do with that guy. If you want, I can even stop talking to him. Oh, please, I don't want to quit that job, please.
You know, he actually gave you that job with a huge salary just because he wants you.
But you already know that I am not materialistic. You know me. See, if it was all about the money and all that, perhaps I would have married Chief Ibe. Please.
Alright. Look, I am going to look for another job for you. But please, forget about that job. Yes, I want you to stop working there.
Sonia, please don't do this to me now, please.
Eso, do this for me, please. Please.
Hello? Hello, is anybody here? Hello? Hi.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Sir, how did you locate me?
Anyway, I was tracking you while we were talking. Yeah.
Yeah, but sir, like I told you over the phone, my friend said I should not work with you anymore. Sir, and I don't want to continue working with you. I'm sorry.
Exactly the reason I'm here. I want to see your friend. Where is she?
What can I do for you?
Sonia. So, this is your friend?
Yes, sir.
No wonder. Now I understand. Sonia, you are taking this whole thing too far.
Not when Michael is involved. Look, I do not have time for this stupid discussion.
Sonia,
Tell your friend Michael that I have stopped her from working.
You are taking this whole thing.
I am not taking anything too far. Stupid. Mind your business. Do you understand me?
Sonia.
I don't want to see you anywhere close around.
Sir.
Assumption.
Yes, sir.
You are a good girl. And I'm trying everything I can to help you. In fact, I decided to increase your salary with 30%. Also give you a car and an apartment. Do you want to miss all this because of her?
Yeah, but she's my friend. Okay, let me talk to her, so I'll be back. Sonia, did you hear him?
Esom, no matter what he says, you are not going back there.
But Sonia, why do I have to pay for what someone else did to you?
You are not paying for what he did to me. He just wants to get you. Don't you get it? He wants you by all means. And that I am against.
You and I know that this is not fair.
Except you want to betray me.
So, are you in or out?
I'm out. And I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sir.
Seriously. Are you very sure?
I'm sorry, sir.
My hard luck is about to catch up with me. How could I have known she lives with Sonia? What is all this now?
You know I offered her salary increment, an apartment, but Sonia made her refuse everything.
That girl is very wicked. Please, you really have to help me. I love that girl so much. Please.
Okay.
Talk to her to come back, please.
I will do the best I can to make sure she returns.
I've actually waited a long time to hear you say I love you too.
So, why don't you stay for some time?
Because
what?
my mom said that the man is supposed to make the first move. No, I was waiting for you to make the first move.
Okay, so now you're the first move. Oh, sorry.
I'm still here.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. Okay. Hey, stop. Don't be like that. Okay, so at least offer your visitor a seat now.
Please sit anywhere. Just sit down anywhere. Just sit.
I prefer here with my own boy.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.